Hi, and now I'm going to talk about the power of a power property. So power of a power property. So if you look at, say, 3 to the power of 3, and then you square the whole expression, and we know that 3 to the power of 3 square means is 3 times 3, 2 times, right? Because the power here is 2, that means this appears 2 times. And from here, we also know that 3 to the power of 3 means that it multiplied 3 by itself 3 times. And we have 3 multiplied by 3 again, and then this is 3 times. So now if you count, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get 3 to the power of 6. Another example here. So if you have 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared to the 4th power, so you can see here that we are now having a power, applying a power to another power. So this would mean that 5 squared times 5 squared, and we have to multiply that by 4 times. So this will be 4 times. Okay, and then we will also see that this gives us 5 times 5. So this is 2 times, and times 5 by 5. Okay, this is also another 2 times. I'm gonna skip writing that, and then 5 times 5 and 5 times 5. And you see in total you're gonna end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can see this is 5 to the power of 8. Now take a moment to think about, is there any connection or any property that you can identify? So for example, 3 to the power of 3 squared, let's look at the power of the power. The two numbers are actually 3 and 2, and you got a 6 here. Is there anything that you could apply to get to get 6 from 3 and 2? And this is 5 squared to the and then to the 4th power, and you end up with 8. Is there any property that you can apply to get that? Yes, you see that 6 is equals to 3 times 2, which is the product of the two powers, 3 and 2. And you could see that 8 is equals to 2 times 4, which is the product of the two powers, 2 and 4. So now this takes us to the property. Okay, so the property that you're going to write down on your property sheet so that you can have a record of that will be, and this is the property of power of power. So b to the power of n equals to, so b to the power of n to the power of n and this will be b to the power of n times n. You multiply the two powers together. Something for you to think about. And if you look at b to the power of n and then to the power of m, that will also give you b to the power of n. And so basically you will get the same values. So these two are actually equal. Okay, thank you.